plan some Christmas stuff. It's finally December. It's actually acceptable to be planning Christmas. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've already started planning my Christmas. I bought Christmas presents back in July. Yeah, I'm a little bit obsessed with the planning, but that's okay. But that way I can enjoy Christmas. If you haven't started planning, no worries. You're normal. I'm the crazy one. But let's get your Christmas planned so that you can enjoy it when it comes. So the first thing that you should do before even thinking of planning anything is dreaming up what your perfect Christmas would look like. And I really want you to dream big, because those are your actual wishes, and maybe you can't have someone magically clean your house or elves come and wrap your presents, but it'll give you ideas of what you can do, what is actually possible in reality, and then you can figure out solutions from there. So for me, my big dream Christmas would be that I don't have to cook, I don't have to clean, someone else does all the wrapping, all my kids are happy, all my kids are grateful and thankful and polite when they get presents. And that just everything goes smoothly with no fights or squabbles between siblings. Of course, you can add in the presents where you're going to be. Maybe you're alone on a tropical island away from all the crazy family if you've got a family that fights a lot. Whatever your desire is this Christmas, write it down. I have printables to help you do this in my class at Big Picture Classes, and right now you can get it for free because Big Picture Classes is giving away 1 month free trial memberships. So you can take my Christmas class, you can take all my classes, you have access to their entire library, so check it out. All you need to do is put in the code KaraChristmas and you're all set, and that's good until December 15th. So there's a printable where you can map out your dream Christmas. I like to do mind maps, but you can make a list, and then once you have your dream Christmas all laid out, then you're going to add in your reality filters, and that's like what can actually happen this year, and you're going to have to start crossing things off. Now, if you cross things off, it doesn't mean it's crossed off forever. It just means that it can't happen this year. It's just this year, it's not going to happen. And then there's the things like, you know, the elves coming down and wrapping. You want to find alternatives to those desires. Okay, so I don't have a magic wand. I'm not going to be able to cook, but we can go away or we can go out. There's all kinds of different ways to make that happen. I don't want to have to clean up after all the wrap. So I have teenage children. I have younger children. They can help with the cleaning. As for the wrapping, I'm lucky. I have a daughter who absolutely loves to wrap, so that's her job. And if she does get tired of it because there's a lot of presents, then I will get one of her brothers to help, or I'll help as well. So you see, that's why I want you to put in the magical, almost non-realistic dreams when you do map out your dream Christmas, because then you can say, well, that's not going to work because, you know, elves can't come help me. They're busy helping Santa. But you can find someone else. Maybe you don't have a daughter who likes to wrap. Maybe you have a teenage neighbor who is trying to earn some money to buy some Christmas presents for her friends, so she'd love to come over for an hour and wrap and make a few extra dollars. So when you're thinking of your reality filters, there's basically 3 different categories. There's time. We all only have 24 hours in a day, and sometimes that's just not enough to do all the things we want to do for Christmas. So take in account the time you have this year. And like I said before, if you cross it off this year, it doesn't mean it's crossed off for good. You can do that next year or even in 5 years. Just this year, it's not going to get done. Another reality filter is money, and that's a big one. If you don't have the budget this year, then maybe you can save throughout 2019 so that this thing that you want for this year that you can't afford, it might be possible for next year. And again, if it's crossed off for this year, it doesn't mean it's out forever. You can do it next year, 5 years, 10 years, even 20 years down the road. And my last big reality filter is energy. The Christmas season is really busy, really active. You're on the go to activities and concerts and all kinds of things. So sometimes you just need some downtime to sort of rest. So make sure that you schedule in some rest time. And because of all those activities, you may have to prioritize. Maybe you don't get to the craft sale that your grandmother goes to with her friends. Maybe you prioritize that craft sale and forego skating in the city on the temporary ice that they put up every year. So you just have to go through the list and see which things you really want to do and what things you can let go of, all depending on your reality filters for 2018. Again, they'll be different from year to year. Okay, there are printables, they're free. Go to the link in the description below and you can get my Plan Your Christmas class for free. It'll take you right through to January and you'll review your Christmas. There's 7 lessons. The first one is your dream Christmas. Pop over there now, put in the code KaraChristmas and start planning your Christmas. If you like this video, I'm here every day until Christmas So make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell so that you know when the new video goes live, and then come back tomorrow because I'll be here with a new lesson on how to plan your 2019. Good luck with your Christmas planning. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.